it's Valerie here. So in this video I'm going to be doing a green look. You want to know what inspired me? My bed sheets. I have nothing to do, guys. This is literally all that I do. I'm so bored. I was inspired by my bed sheets. And if you guys like my hair, then give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, and I will make a tutorial for you guys of how I did my hair. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. So I just took the MAC Laying Low paint pot and I'm just going to be buffing that into my eyes with this blending brush. Next up, I'm going to be taking my CoverGirl loose powder in the color 120. First palette I'm gonna go in with is my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil, because this look is gonna be like mainly greens. That's what I was feeling today.